Hold on, what? Mm, seriously? Uh, I think my data's delayed. Mm, never mind. Okay. Like, it's not showing up the same. Okay. Like, dude, I don't have no clue. And she don't start back up. You know what? Honestly, I'm not gonna pay attention to it because it's stupid. I'm not gonna pay attention to that. That's stupid. Alright. Hey, yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, Alfred? Honestly, I was looking at gold, but I already missed the entry, so I was like, well, it really ain't no point trying to force it. I already missed it. The crazy thing is, man, I saw the setup, but I just had work to do, and I didn't have time to really look and manage it. I mean, I saw it. I mean, we took this short earlier. We took this short, and once I saw that it found support right here, I know this shit was gonna happen. But I just didn't have the yeah, so kind of revenge trading a little bit. Saw the setup on the Nasdaq, so I just took it. Gold is on a tear, man. Dude, when is this thing gonna come down? Hey, what's up, Investor Z? What's up? When is this thing coming down? That's the question. When is this coming down? Is the question. This range right here, this range between 3144 and 3142 is very important. You can see that they're using this range as support. And once gold finally comes tumbling down, this range will be used as resistance. So make sure that if you're a gold trader, you have those levels marked out on your chart. Uh, yeah, I saw the setup, and as you can see, gold is still respecting this trend line, still respecting it. So, like I said, I'm kind of upset that oh really? Dang. Huh. So I wonder what they're gonna do with that then, huh? I wonder what they're gonna do with that. I was actually thinking about I was actually thinking about potentially having a CME and a CBOT data. I'm thinking about it because gold is definitely hmm, I think gold is definitely a good complement to Nasdaq in my opinion. It's really good complement. So we'll see what happens. I'll probably do like a top step account or something. Like I I definitely got to figure out what I'm gonna do with gold. Definitely got to figure out and where she can fit. Honestly, I'm gonna keep my live accounts, but there is no way moving forward that I will get another one. I'm not getting any more live accounts. These live accounts are more trouble than what they're worth, in my opinion. They're definitely way more trouble. I've had issues in both of my live accounts. I was able to make some money, but man, if we didn't have the day that we had today where the market was basically going racing to the moon, shit, I would have had some trouble. Uh I trade in Ninja Trader 8, but for whatever reason, as I'm trying to trade in Ninja Trader 8, the data is delayed. Uh Nothing is working. It's working in Trade of 8, but I'm not, dude, I hate trading in Trade of 8, man. I hate that shit. I hate trading in Trade of 8, and I had to trade in Trade of 8 today to catch this move. Dude, I hate the fact that I can't manage the position the same way that I can manage it in Ninja Trader 8. I hate the fact that I can't combine my stops, or maybe I'm doing it wrong because I tried and it didn't work. But in the moment, I didn't have the time to figure that shit out. Uh, and yeah, absolutely. I don't like the experience at all. So Uh, I'm working with them, and then they're acting like they can't figure the shit out. Like, figure it out, damn it. And then with the Blue Sky account, um, they didn't had it set up, but I was focusing on the other account, so I can have two brokerage accounts. So apparently, you can have more than one brokerage account with Blue Sky. So I got my two brokerages accounts with them, and now I'm hitting them up and saying, "Hey, I never got my live account." And it was like, "You never got your live account? It We see that it's up." No, no, motherfucker. If I had my live account, I wouldn't be asking for it. So I wonder if they do this shit purposely. I'm starting to think that they, because it's like it's crazy that I'm experiencing the same issue with two different firms. So I'm thinking that this is something that they just do just to kind of get the trader emotionally caught up because of the daily payouts or something like that. I mean, you can request payouts daily. And I think they just do that shit just to do it. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Yeah. So like I said, I'm experiencing the same thing on both firms. So, I mean, you're not gonna emotionally rattle me. I'm emotionally rattle you when you see them daily payouts start coming in. You're gonna be the one that's emotionally rattled. But I'm pretty sure the profit's supposed to be coming from the market and not the firm, and that's my assumption. Or maybe it's not. I don't know. But they were all getting rejected. Mm. Well, hopefully in this situation right now, uh, price doesn't reject here. That would be nice if it just kept on going. That would be nice. That would be nice, NQ. That would be nice. How you doing so far in your pro account anyway? Your pro plus account right now, Alfred. Yeah, congratulations on that, man. Were you able to catch any of that move that happened today? Yeah, today was absolutely crazy. I left so much money on the table, and I'm trying not to be mad at myself about that. Trying not to be mad at myself about that, but I left so much money on the table. I was getting these perfect entries, but uh, I didn't let the. I mean, I did let them play out for as long as possible, but I was like, man, shit, I don't know if this ain't gonna keep on going. This thing kept on going. I was like, damn. And so, I kept hopping back in. I kept popping back in. And then I was like, dude, just relax, because if this, I mean, you keep going long, and then eventually your lungs ain't gonna work no more. But boy, was I wrong. Boy, was I wrong. The longs just kept working. I was not shorting all this momentum today. I was not shorting at all. I was patiently waiting for the longs all afternoon. Uh, so I mean, my story, I was up $1,100, and I said, you know what? That's good enough. Let that just, set the tone for the day. I was like, no, that ain't enough. And so I go in, I trade my first trade. That was when the long didn't work. And so I lost all the money that I just made. So you already know what mode I went into. Shit, you already know. I made $1,100. I could have left it at that, but I mean, I wouldn't say I was greedy. I just wanted more money. Damn it! I ain't coming to this market to make $1,100. I came to the market to make a little bit more than that. Well, the first trade I paid for, but instead of just what's the word I'm looking for? Losing control, going on tilt. I stopped out of the position. I was like, you know what? Let me just look for another setup. I can find another setup, and I can get this money back. And good thing I stopped out, because this is exactly so. Where was it at? Good thing I stopped out, because I probably would have hit daily loss limit, and then I would have been pissed. It was this right here. I caught this long, and then I thought that they were going to bounce it here and probably, retop it a little or double top it. But no, I was able to catch this long though. Or no, that was early in the morning. Where was it at? I think it was this long. Yeah, because it was before I went to the gym. Yeah, it was this right here. Yeah, it was this. Okay, so my bad. So it was this right here. I thought that, so I go long. I thought that we was going to at least get a double top, and I was going to be good with that. But no, the bears wanted to drop it down. So I stopped route. Good thing I stopped out, because this thing went a little bit further. But then I saw that there was liquidity right here. And then I said, you know what? Let me go long here. And so as soon as I go long, I catch this big pop up, and I get all my money back. And then I see this drop right back into this area. And I was like, you know what? Yo, they're not done. And so I catch this pop right here, and I leave the charts. I go to the gym. Come back, see that. Man, if I stayed in that damn position, man, this shit shot up from my entry. Damn, there were 200 points from my entry. I was like, shit. So I had to go back in. I had to go back in and get a little bit more, because shit, I could have just had some more money. And so where did I get in at? I saw this double top. I saw this pop, and I was like, you know what? Let me just take this long. I got right here. I took the long, and I said, you know what? Just stop. Because, man, if this thing goes down, all that money you just made is going to be gone. And so I literally had to avoid my charts today. I literally had to avoid it, because I just felt myself. It's the other side of being tilt. It's not, I'm not trading because I'm on tilt. I'm trading because there's just so many momentums that every time the market dips down, the bulls are buying it. And I'm just buying the dips, buying the dips, buying the dips. And man, if I just kept buying the damn dips today, shit. But it's cool. It's cool. I made way more money than I expected to make today. Like I said, I just hated the fact that I just left this money on the table. That's it. That's it. But I told myself that, you know what? I mean, this is good, because I mean, you don't want to. I mean, yeah, make all the money that you can today, but this, you want to build the account up. You want to take trades that are going to be repeatable, consistent. You want to take setups. You want to build the account up, et cetera, blah, blah, blah. So just keep on doing that. And yeah. I mean, that would be nice if this thing just pops up a little bit. You know, just pops up. You know, a couple, maybe 11, 15 more points. That would be awesome. Just enough to have my stop to begin the trail. And so I can catch as much of this as possible. That would be nice. Oh, so you was trying to short this, Alfred? He was. I mean, hold on. Where were you? What side of the market were you focusing on? Were you focused on the long or short side? Honestly, man, like last year gave me would be equivalent to PTSD when it comes to shorts. Every time, every time I put a short on, sometimes my life flashes before my eyes because it's like, man, Bulls been clapping bears lately, or I mean, the Bears have been holding their ground. They have been, but if it's like my last day and I just need one more trade to pass, dude, it's not gonna be no short. It is not gonna be no short. It's gonna be a long for sure. And I just don't trust shorts. I just don't. Yeah, that's definitely true. That was definitely true. Definitely true. That's why I was like, man, just I was telling myself to chill out because I mean, I felt like I was getting lucky with the longs, but I was getting into, I mean, it's not like I was randomly getting into areas. I was getting in at areas of support, but I mean, at the time, it looked like the market was trying to, pull back and, dip into some areas of, lower levels of liquidity. But nah, the market said, nah, we good right here. And then they just kept going. So, mm, yeah, yo, yeah, that was. Yeah, it definitely was. And so that's why I was like, I had to tell myself to chill and just walk away. And I mean, how do I want to say this? So I'm being funny. So I mean, don't take this literally, but I now believe in body possessions. I believe that demons, entities, or whatever can possess you because man, I kept telling myself to stop, but then for whatever reason, I kept finding myself right back behind this desk, putting on a damn trade. So even though I told myself to chill the hell out, it was like, nah, we need to sit down and get this money or blow the account trying. Because that end of month volatility is definitely no joke, especially when you're on the right side of it. It's no joke when you're on the wrong side of it, man. If you don't stop out, man, shit, that can be your account. And like I said earlier, I'm just glad I stopped out because usually I won't. Usually I won't stop out. I mean, y'all guys know I usually won't, especially if I feel like I'm in an area of support. But I won't stop out if I'm in an area of support. Now, if I'm all the way up here, then I mean I'm gonna stop out. I mean shit, because the price can come all the way back down here, and that'll be the account. So, but I was all the way up here, or where was I at? It was in one of these ranges. It was in one of these ranges. So I mean, if I didn't stop out, yeah, that would have been my account. The FOMO demon, shit, yeah, it's a demon, all right. Yeah, it was definitely a demon because I said everything. We're about to sit down and we're about to make this money. I almost didn't go to the gym today. That's just how bad it was, man. I almost didn't go to the gym. I was like, nah, we going to the gym today, damn it. But I do know that the gym is when it comes to trading in this market, everything else has a very low priority. Everything else has a very low priority. Shit, the house can be on fire, but shit, I'm gonna sit right here in this damn desk until my position, until that target get hit. The whole house could be on fire. It's like, nah, we gotta sit here. We gotta manage this position, damn it. To hell with everything else. We gotta manage this position, damn it. Mm. Says he went to the gym even after being sore from leg day on Saturday. I mean, that's how you're supposed to do it. You read Relentless, and Alfred. I still read that book. I mean, I refresh myself on that book so often. What the fuck? I just realized something. Ah, damn! I just realized something. Where's my clock? Where's my clock at? Where the hell's my clock? Okay, don't do that to me. But Ustani, yeah, I definitely agree. But every time I go to the gym, I always think about like, man, I mean, it really is a mental thing. It really is. It really is, man. I think about, shit, if I wanted to, I mean, professional athletes, they got to break past the physical, mental, or the other, is it the physical? You got to put literally your mind over matter. Yeah, your body's tired. Yeah, your body's sore. Yeah, it feels like it can break at any second, but you got to push yourself. You got to push yourself outside your comfort zone and stuff like that. And as I get tired, because I usually run, 2.5 miles on the treadmill before I even start out my workout. Um, I find myself, trying to make excuses to stop, and it's like, dude, I'm not stopping. The only way I'm gonna fucking stop is if I drop dead, and that's the only fucking reason. I'll probably still go. Shit, like I'm not stopping. I'm gonna finish this damn workout. I'm gonna finish it. There's literally no excuse for quote unquote weakness for me. I don't like that shit. I don't like it. And I had these two old ladies came up to me talking about you should meet them. Yeah, meet my granddaughter. Are you in somebody? You should meet my granddaughter. Every time I see you, you look so serious and focused, so masculine. You should meet my granddaughter. Like shit, shit. Yeah, you bring your granddaughter over here. Shit. My daughter's mom was deaf, and I was like, shit, nah, my daughter's mom will kill her if she did that shit. Mm. Anyway, I mean, uh, I guess, I mean, I'm seeing all these wigs. I'm looking at this wall on Bookmap. I just would kind of like it if the Bulls would just push through this crap real quick, so I can get my target hit. But that would be freaking nice. There we go. There we go. Hold on, what? Hold on, what the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? Shit. Well, okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. No, it's not fine. No, it's not fine. Damn it, that's not fine. Damn. And I really don't know if this is uh hmm. Okay. You know what? Nah, I'll come back later on today. I'll come back later on today. I guess this is me breaking my rules. I did break my rule just now. I took a trade outside of New York Open, and that was my PA account. Like I said, I was kind of revenge trading because I missed this trade on gold. Hmm. Hmm. I think I should take this. I think I should take this because I think we're about to see a pop here. Can I get into the trade, please? Shit. Nah, I'm not meeting nobody's damn granddaughter. Like I said, she would get killed. I mean, my girl gonna forgive me. She gonna forgive me, but the girl gonna get killed. Okay. I may have been kind of maybe over aggressive right here with this entry. I'm literally buying the top, and this thing can definitely dip right back down. I literally did just buy the top of this move. Mm. Trying to see this thing get a stop run here, but yo, these bulls are super aggressive tonight. They are super aggressive. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do here. This is what I'm gonna do because, like I said, I know I kind of was really aggressive with this. I should have waited for the pullback. I should have waited for the pullback. Okay, so let's see. Um, I'll scale into this and just stop out if need be right here. Girl, boy, Alfred taking home 3K. Boy, Alfred taking on 3K, got $8,000 of liquidity in his account. Congratulations, Alfred. One day, they gonna come to work and Alfred ain't gonna be there. Alfred says, I make my own money. Yo, Alfred, doesn't that feel good, man? To be able to, like, dude, you're literally making your own money. Or let me rephrase that. You're earning your own money. You are literally earning your own money. You didn't have to clock into nobody else's clock. You didn't have to build nobody else's dream but your own. You're making money based on the decisions that you're making, not the decisions that somebody has tasked you with. And you're consistently profitable. Yeah, this is the PA account. uh, uh, yeah, this is the PA account. Come on, Gold. Don't make me look like a fool here. You was being real aggressive, like you was gonna pop. I mean, I foolishly bought the top though, so I mean, man, damn it. I'm not gonna lie, man. That hurts, dude. I ain't gonna lie, dude. That hurts. That oh man. Oh man. Oh, target filled. No, 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 no. No. Oh my god. Target freaking filled, man. Damn. Target filled. You know what? I feel you on that. I definitely feel you on that. My goal is definitely to try to keep an account for as long as possible. You have a really good day, and then the Nasdaq throws a tantrum, and she takes it out on your account, and then all of a sudden you don't got it no more. And then you looking back at the charts and say, "Damn, where did I go wrong?" Like, damn, where the hell did I go wrong at? I mean, hmm, damn it, damn, 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 damn it, damn it. That stop loss is there to protect me though, so I'm not gonna trip on it. But damn, damn it, damn it, damn, damn. So target filled. So then I had an entry all the way right here. So that was like what, a 40, like a 40 point entry, 45. That would have been like $900 right there, or $1,800 if it hit my target. Mm. Come on, gold. I'm depending on you. Break out, pop out, show out. Gold has definitely been showing out lately, man, especially from last night. That thing's been going. I mean, shit, gold has just been popping ever since last night. Look at that, man. Now, I mean, the gold is literally making new all-time highs literally every second. You said oversizing and overtrading. I mean, I don't think it's your fault. I mean, it's the psychology behind the account that you got. You can get paid out in one day. I think that's like mm, that within itself is the battle right there. That's the battle. You got an account that you can get paid out every single day. So I mean, obviously you don't need me to tell you the psychology. You know what you go through. I can make more. I mean, what can I do if I can request $3,000 today, $5,000, $10,000, blah, blah, blah. It just keeps growing bigger. It keeps getting bigger. 275. Just keeps getting bigger. Man, look, I don't got to. I mean, like I said, this is gonna be tough because, uh, fuck it, man. Fuck it. Mm. Oh shit. Mm. Run them stops, bulls. Run them stops. Run them stops, bulls. Run them stops. I mean, we could potentially see a drop right here at this pivot point. I mean, we could see a drop. I'm just hoping that it doesn't. Hopefully, we see exactly that, baby. Keep on going, baby. Keep on going. 78. Mm. All right. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll stick to Nasdaq. All right. So where can this thing go? Where can this thing go at? Mm. Mm. So you start off with 1 to 2 minis and then 3 to 5 max after building up some profits. Yeah, I think that's a good strategy. I mean, we all know the prop is this extra drawdown, but obviously we don't want it to be. But let's not lie and say that that's not exactly what it would be used for. I'm not gonna do that. They're gonna pay me first. 'Cause I'm not gonna. I'm not even gonna do that to myself. Hey, does take profit has an 80 20 profit split, right? 80% goes to the trader and then 20% goes to the firm. Oh, it's a 90 10. Oh, not the Pro Plus is 90 10, and the Pro Plus or the Pro is that's the one that's like 80 20. I'm not gonna lie, that 90 10 split, I ain't gonna lie, that shit, when I see it, that shit pisses me off. All right, let me see if I made the wrong decision. Damn it, damn it, damn it, gold, damn it, damn it, damn it. Shit kept going, damn it. All right, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I'd rather make the money in the NQ. Rather make the money in the NQ. You said it was looking bull flaggy on the hourly. All right, let's look at that real quick. You said it was looking bull flaggy. I don't know. That looks like it looks like we can probably get to 415 on the hourly. Looks like this thing got a lot more room for upside. I mean, I wouldn't short that hourly candle. Mm. Yeah. Come on, Nasdaq. You can just keep pumping. I mean, no one's not gonna say nothing. Just keep pumping. I'm trying to ignore this, but the market is not. Market is not ignoring that high right there. Hopefully this thing keeps on going. It hits my target. Yeah, yeah, because tomorrow's Jolts also as well. Historically, Jolts has just been bearish. So we could see a big move down tomorrow. Who knows? Who knows? People are going to say that it's because of the terrors, which I mean, I'm not going to sit here and say that it's not. But we also got Jolts, and 9 times out of 10, Jolts be big red days, man. So we'll see if that trend continues tomorrow. We'll see if that trend continues tomorrow. Yeah. Come on, NQ. Don't do me like that. I mean, I know I kind of bought kind of high, but you know, come on. Come on. Man, I would have got my man, I should have stuck it in with gold, man. I should have stuck it. I should have stuck with her, man. I should have stuck with her. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, I should have stuck with her. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. No. 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 I should have stuck with her. No. 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 I should have stuck with gold. Oh my God. I should have stuck with gold. Oh my God. Oh, I should have stuck with gold. She hit my target. Oh man, I should have stuck with gold. Oh man. Ah, ah man. Well, I mean, obviously I can't buy it this high. That would be suicide. Account suicide if I were to buy that. But man, this thing is still going. This thing is still going. Mm. Yeah, I couldn't buy that. And I'm not gonna sell it either. Too high to buy, but then it's too bullish to sell. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, I was talking to Smith about that shit too. I was like, man, I'm sitting here messing around with gold and NQ does this big giant ass dump. Sitting there messing around with gold. Man, she gonna probably dump here or something, man. Shit. Damn, gold. Why couldn't you just do that before? Why couldn't you have just done that before? All right. That's fine. That's fine. I missed the train. I missed the gold train. Hmm. Damn, look at that, bro. Man, damn it. Damn it. Damn. Damn. Damn it. Damn, 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 damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Mm. Yo, yeah, gold is like, yo, gold is on a tear right now, man. Gold is on a tear. Kind of makes me want to put some money in a live account and start trading it, man. Gold is definitely on a tear right now, man. You can't short that thing. You can try. You'll just be a liquidity donation to the market like all the other bears are. It's like shit, the bears come from the bears go from Nasdaq and say, well shit, at least we don't have to worry about the Nasdaq no more. At least we can short in peace. Yeah, the bears get like maybe one or two shorts, but then they get clapped. Gold is like shit, Nasdaq 2024. She's like, all right, bestie, it's gonna be my turn. All right, bestie, it's my turn. I'm gonna clap these bears this year. Especially with all this quote unquote uncertainty in the market, which honestly, I don't know what people are uncertain about. What are you uncertain about? I'm pretty sure that Trump and his administration has been very vocal about what they plan on doing. They've been very clear about what they plan to do, and they've been doing it. So where the hell is the uncertainty at? I'm shit. Yeah, I'm upset that I got out of that trade that turned out to be a winner. But yeah, I'm not going to sit here and try to chase. I mean, I know better with gold. I just know better with gold that that's not how you trade her. Gold, CL, ES, you can't chase those instruments. You just can't. Nasdaq, you can chase her all day, like I'm chasing her now. It's kind of working. I mean, as long as she keeps pumping, I mean, shit, it's gonna make me look like a genius. But if this thing comes back and I'm like big red, it's gonna hurt my feelings. It's gonna hurt my. Come on, baby. Keep on pushing, boo. Okay. You can chase the Nasdaq, but just don't let her chase you. Okay. Yeah, it would have hit my target. I just needed like 400, 800 more dollars. That's all I needed. And 69, I was in at 69. It got to the highs of 73, 70, 71, 72, 73. Yeah, that's all I needed. It hit my target. That's all I needed to. That's all I needed. I mean, I got this line here. I mean, unless the Bulls push through this line, I mean, I guess they could just, I mean, they are kind of selling it already, but I mean, the Bulls are just buying it back up. So the Nasdaq, I mean, it would be kind of great if we kind of we kind of took some from your bestie and kind of just kept on going like she is. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, the Nasdaq just wanted to keep me on my toes tonight. I mean, if she just hit my target instead of hitting my or my trailing stop getting hit, I would have been done for tonight. I would have been done for tonight. Hmm. So she got a gap at 379. Like when you say gap, what does that mean? You talking about like when the candles don't overlap or something? Okay. Yeah, with futures, yeah, the candles got to overlap. Futures are very price efficient and uh, they're a stickler for gaps. So I mean, that's one thing that you can always count on with futures is that they will fill all gaps eventually. Mm. Yeah, guys throwing all these ICT terms up. I'm not familiar with any of them. I mean, the only thing that I see on the charts is highs, lows, and ranges. That's it. Highs, lows, and ranges. Like all the technical stuff. Like oh yeah, like uh yeah, everything else. Yeah, I don't see it. Or I well okay. Let me rephrase that. Not that necessarily I don't see it. It's just not. It's not what I'm looking for. Mm, yeah. Mm. So there's a gap on all time frames. Mm. All right. Can we push past this high, please? That would be nice. Thank you. Can we push past it? Can we get a strong push past this? That would be nice. Oh, really? What's the levels? He says it's 45s on ES. Oh yeah, shit. Yeah, that's not even hard to believe. Nasdaq, she's a wild one. Come on, NQ, keep on going, baby. Come on, don't play with my heart like this. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, there's not even enough room to even try to take that long on gold. Hmm. So you're saying we have a fair value gap on the hourly? Hmm. Okay, you say on the 15-minute? Damn, dude. Nice one, NQ. Yeah. Oh, the candle that we're in now. I mean, if I remember correctly, isn't like a gap is like what people are looking for is like a gap between like two candles or something like that? Like something like right here. Is this what people are looking at right now? Is this what people are looking at? Because I mean, they're definitely trying to sell there, like it is. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, they're definitely trying to sell this thing like that is for sure. I mean, that shit is clean, yo. Shit, that thing is clean. They selling this thing off clean. Mm. He said the last candle has a gap. What I drew is not a gap. Okay, so what do you mean by that? So the last candle has a gap. You talk about like right here? You said they've all been filled. Okay. Yeah, like yeah, I definitely don't trade that way. I look for ranges. But uh I don't mind taking advantage of other people in terms of if they think trading on the wrong side of the market because y'all see a gap, well, hey, I need the liquidity, right? I need the liquidity. I mean, I will say that's bullish right here. That's definitely bullish, but for whatever reason, this is becoming, I mean, this area right here is the bulls are having a hard time getting above it. Like, I'll say I drew it wrong, but shit, that's exactly where they're getting knocked down at. That's exactly. I mean, they're touching this thing perfectly. They're touching it perfectly and rejecting it. Mm, okay. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and babysit this position all night though. Mm. Said bears are losing volume. How you doing, gain weight? Well, we all know what side of the market gain weight's on. We know what side of the market the big money's on right now. Gain weight says, "Don't make me go heavy. I'm gonna show you why they call me gain weight." Okay. You say 12 minutes into the new hourly. Hopefully, it doesn't take the full 12 minutes before the market decides what the hell they want to do right here. Like I said, I do see that. I do see this high right here. I mean, I do see the high. I do see that the market is having a hard time getting above it. But well, hopefully it's the former and not the latter, Tommy. We don't need this shit to drop. Not until I get my target filled. And it can do whatever the hell it wants after that. It can do whatever the hell it wants after that. Come on, Bulls, buy this shit, man. Thank you. So you're in long too? Man, dude, I mean shit. Like I said before. I mean, people that can that trade the Nasdaq and copy trades with multiple accounts, balls. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Keep on pushing. I would consider myself consistently profitable, and I wouldn't even consider copy trading the Nasdaq. It's just always like, well, if I had, okay, so I would copy the Nasdaq. I would copy trade the Nasdaq if I had a daily loss limit in the account. Come on, baby, 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 baby. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hit that target, baby. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Baby. Baby, please. Hit it. Yo, no. Yo. Thank you. All right, I reached my $1,800 goal. Damn. Damn. Yo, I don't care what nobody says. The NASDAQ be doing that type of shit to me. I don't know why, but she does. You saw how she almost stopped me out this morning in this morning stream, and then she shot up. I would have felt some type of way about that. Dude, NASDAQ, I would have completely broken up with you for at least 24 hours and just traded gold and not even think about you. left you on red and everything, talking about, baby, we can work it out. Nah, you stopped me out and then you went in my direction. No, there ain't nothing to work out for right now. Maybe tomorrow, but right now, no. For right now, no. Of course I'm lying. It's like shit. You know, when it's crazy, you know it's good when it's crazy. Shit, you know it's good when it's crazy. You just need a break. Shit, we just need a break for a while. Shit. Okay. Let me get out of this account. Let me get out of this account. I'm gonna make sure that actually let me do that now. Let me do that now. Because last night dude, the account that we made money in last night, I lost that account because I left the order, and of course, for whatever reason, which because it's like even though if I left an order, even if I left an order on the chart, why the hell didn't I usually have an ATM strategy on my I usually have an ATM strategy that has a defined stop and a defined target. So I'm still trying to figure out how the hell did I lose a 3K last night? So not only did I lose the money that I made on stream, I lost all that. I lost 3K. And then as soon as I put on a trade, the shit. I mean, if I had to, I mean, I guess the Nasdaq needed a sacrifice. I guess she needed her account sacrificed. But I mean, if it's going to be an account that I lose, I will always hope that it would be a Apex eval that I paid only $20 for. I will always hope that that will be the case. But I'm going to start just making sure that I cancel everything before I get off stream because yeah, like I mean, even though it wasn't Apex eval, I kind of was building it up, and it's kind of pissed me off that something like that happened, and all that work is just gone. All right, so I'm just gonna go in the sim for the rest of the night. I don't have to trade my PA account. Damn, gold, dude, gold is still going, dude. Gold is still going. He said, now we tapped into the gap. Yo, when Nasdaq kick you out the house, like, baby, please, baby, please, let me come back, baby, please, let's talk about this, baby, please. Shit, I would never recommend that though. I understand that some people live that way. It just couldn't be me. I mean, there's just certain things that I mean, I come on here and joke a lot, but there's just certain things that I just won't not do in real life. I ain't begging for nothing. If the Nasdaq was a real person, shit. I mean, I would fight her. I mean, I would fight the Nasdaq, like all the nasty things that you do because it's just what you like doing. But obviously, if the Nasdaq was a real person, nah, I don't tolerate that in my real life. All that chaos and toxicity and back and forth. I mean, it was cute when I was a kid and shit. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, that shit was fun. Playing the games back and forth. Like, I ain't gonna talk to you. You ain't gonna talk to me. I'm gonna talk to somebody else to get you mad type shit. You gonna do the same thing. We gonna argue about it, and then we gonna make up, and then we gonna do the whole shit again. It was cute when we was in middle school, when I had no responsibilities. But right now, that type of lifestyle, I just don't see how anybody can function like that. Because I know I can't. All right, let me rephrase that. I won't tolerate it. That is something that I won't tolerate. All right, so Tommy says, see if we run through it or if we respect it. What are you talking about exactly? Oh crap, my bad. I thought I was still on Nasdaq. My bad. On gold. Honestly, I mean, let's see. I think we can probably get to 390. Why not? Where are you targeting exactly? Like what level specifically? He says right now on the 3 minute, the VWAP and the last bullish fair value gaps is about to get tapped on a small time frame. I mean, it's been a while since the 15 minute looks super bullish though. That looks super bullish. I think we go to at least 390, 395, 390, 395. I think they're going to protect 405 unless they don't. We'll see. Where you said draw a box, not a line. Draw a box, not a line. Hold on. Like, what level are you talking about? He says from the wick from 420. Hold on. You said PST. What is that? PST? Pacific Standard Time? Is that like California or something like that? That's PST. All right. So, I mean, shit, I'm gonna have to do some conversion with that. Shit. Let's do some conversion. All right. So, convert 4:12 p.m. into Central Time. All right. Okay, so that would hold on, what? All right, so from man, all right, PM. I gotta be specific. All right, so that's 612, huh? All right, so you're saying the 612 candle? So 612 candle. So basically it's this candle right here. And so you're saying around like 403? Is a bearish candle, is a gap candle, wick before it. Yeah, so 621. So yeah, it's this candle what you're talking about. Yeah, right here. And you're talking about this candle specifically, aren't you? Where's my pen? You're talking about this candle, huh? You talk about that candle, huh? But then you're probably on a, like you said, I'm on a tick chart, so you're probably on a different. It probably looks different. I don't necessarily. Says to the left and to the right. Okay. Said the left and to the right. Thank you. All right. So let's just look at the same time frame you're looking at. All right. So you said the 3 minute. Because obviously I'm not going to see what you're talking about on a tick chart, honestly. Like the candles are totally two different things. Okay. All right, so let's look at this on the 3 minute right here. This is the 3 minute. Hmm. Oh, okay. I see what you're talking about. Okay, okay. All right. So yeah, I don't think this thing. I don't think it goes down. No, I don't think so. I mean, we could probably get a pullback maybe, but it's probably more likely that we go to 390. That's probably where we see the real rejection at. And this is what is it, an order block or something like that. I mean, I don't necessarily need these things because, like I said, I already see it. I already got it marked out on my chart. So yeah, from 390 to like I said, 407, 405 is probably where we might see some bearishness, but um, we can potentially see. I mean, honestly, I mean, we still got. Yeah, like I said, I think 390. We could see like a form of rejection. 390, 405. But if we do see like, okay, so if this thing keeps going and we find support here, then I'm actually looking for a price to come back all the way up here to 525. Actually, let me look at this real quick. Yeah, like 520 is probably where we could see a potential rejection reversal because of right here, somewhere in this area. We got all this liquidity right here. So, I mean, if price comes up into this, we'll definitely potentially see price come down, come tumbling down. Maybe like 520 or something like that. 520, 518. Because I mean, if this thing keeps going and if it finds support, and then okay, actually, never mind. I'll be looking at so from 440 to about 460 for the market to reject. Uh, this new indicator that I put on the chart right here is the naked PLC. Was it Investor Z or was it Griffin Trade that told me about this? I forgot which. Yeah, I forgot which one of you guys told me about it. But anyway, I'm glad that I'm glad that you said something about it, because what I've found is that this naked PLC is really legit. It is really legit. Like that shit is legit. Bandit Blitz says, "All right, Grip can trade, man. Glad that you was able to make some money on this, man. Glad you was noticed the hesitation on the camera right now. And that's why I think, yeah. Is Tesla's running? Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. Elon Musk has reported that they have. I mean, what he said or what they said in that meeting is absolutely wild. It's absolutely wild. Uh, Absolutely wild. I'm not going to get deep into this because I don't have a stance in this. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't have a stance in this. I try not to even allow. I try not to put any energy into anything politics. I want to understand, or not necessarily understand. I want to know what's being said. I want to know what's being done, but I don't have an opinion on any of it because I know that there's emotions on both sides. I know that, so I tend to stay clear away from stuff like that. But because honestly, it doesn't affect me. And as humans, I mean, the first thing we do is what are you doing for me? What have you done for me lately? And that's definitely true. But anyway, the point. Uh, Elon Musk and the gentleman, I don't know who that was, claimed that uh, undocumented immigrants was issued Social Security numbers, receiving Social Security, getting benefits that as Americans, as people that come here and they pay taxes. They apply for these programs and they get denied, or if they do get approved, they have to fight tooth and nail for benefits. I'm a veteran. Uh, a lot of the obviously, because being a veteran, I have friends, acquaintances, people that I know that are veterans, and when they go and try to apply to get benefits from the VA, man, they got to jump through hoops. They got to create a paper trail. They have to show this and they have to show that just to get to that 100% mark. And then on top of getting to the 100% mark, you got to continue to show that, you're 100% disabled. And, people like that have to fight for benefits, they see that uh, people come up that are not born into this country. They come in here, they get all these benefits that other people have to fight for. So that's where I know that there's emotions because of that. So anyway, so what they claimed was that if the Democratic Party, of their plan, if Elon Musk wasn't there, and Trump wasn't there to stop them in their plan, uh, they the Democratic Party would have turned every state blue because they were filling up all these states with migrants. And obviously, if you're getting all these benefits and you want them to keep going, obviously you're going to vote in your best interest, obviously. Uh, Especially if your life is 10 times better than what it was. You have more opportunity than what you've had, and you're able to send back money to your home country and change the people that you care about or that you're responsible for and provide them a better life. So obviously, they would have continued to trade blue, and then we would have just been a big blue wave, and the Republicans would have never, or let me rephrase that, it would have been highly unlikely for the Republicans to ever win in office ever again if the Democratic Party were to, if the plan were to have succeeded, which, like I said, that is concerning. Uh, that was concerning. It really was, at least to me, because we would no longer have a democracy. We would have a dictatorship. And just imagine these crazy lunatics in every state. Just imagine that. The craziness that the Democratic Party brings with the craziness, the derangement. People don't even know what they're mad about. Like, I mean, I don't care who you hate and who you don't like. It's obviously it's we have the right to hate and not like who we don't like. But when I watch these street interviews and when people challenge why people don't like someone and they come up blank and they use buzzwords that they learned from the TV, it just goes to show that people don't even know why the fuck they're mad at Elon. They don't even know why they're mad at Trump. It's just that they've been told to be mad at them. They've been told to hate them. They've been told that they're a derogatory term. And for whatever reason, it says, yeah, yeah, that's right. Yeah. I guess it's just a lack of critical thinking. It's like you didn't even come up with that yourself. It's like someone came up with that for you. And then some people take it a step further and use it as an excuse to commit acts of violence, acts of destruction. Like, no, you wanted to do that, kind of like those riots. No, you wanted to riot because that's exactly who you are as a person. Everybody wants to be the Joker. Everybody wants to see the world burn. And that's why you did it. You just used the guise of, oh, I'm outraged because of this and that. You just wanted to do that. That just gave you a reason. And the Democratic Party knows this. If anybody knows the psychology of man and woman, it is the Democratic Party. They definitely take the time to put into the research of how to manipulate people, and they do a very good job of doing that. I'm gonna digress though. I'm gonna end it there. You know what? Honestly, so when it comes to January 6th, dude, I mean, I've seen like, okay, so this is what I don't get. Kamala Harris lied and said that she was there, and then she wasn't. Like, she literally lied and says I was there, and then someone had to pull up a tweet of her saying that I wasn't there. So what is it? Nancy Pelosi said the same thing, but you can see. I mean, there were obviously videos of people purposely just like. I mean, there's a video of the dude breaking the window and telling people to go through it. I mean, they were saying that cops were murdered and stuff like that, but there's literally a video of the cops literally what's the word I'm looking for? Chaperoning them through the building. Like, I mean, it's like, dude, honestly, like I said, I'm not going to sit here and waste any mental resources on that situation. I mean, if they said that that's what happened, even though the videos and what I've just seen is contradicts their narrative, like I said, it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. So I'm not going to waste my time or waste any mental resources trying to figure out whose side of the story is right or wrong. Obviously, January 6th was used as a tool, a political tool, to demonize Trump during his run for presidency. The only time we hear about January 6th is whenever they want to throw some mud. But what about all those riots? What about all those riots that happened? Cities were actually burned down, businesses was looted, uh, vandalized, all that. Those are domestic. Those are acts of domestic terrorism, but nobody wants to talk about that. But like I said, we all know that this is a game. That's why we shouldn't get emotionally involved in any of this crap. It's just a game. It really is. It's a game. I mean, these things happen to real people. Obviously, real people do get hurt, but to the people, the quote unquote elites, all this is just scripted reality to them. That's all it is. It's a game to them. But like I said, I'm gonna digress. I really don't want to talk about it anymore. You said it's just short. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I saw that rud kit. I saw that. Or let me rephrase that. I seen people talk about it online. And like I said, I don't care about it. I mean, I ain't vote for nobody. I'm not on either side. I've already shared that. I'm not on either side. I just know that on one side of the fence, people are absolutely fucking crazy, and they think boys can have babies and periods and shit. I mean, obviously, you don't need to be. Yeah, you don't have to be on any side of the fence politically to know that boys and girls have different reproductive functions. So that type of craziness, y'all can keep that shit over there. Y'all can keep that shit over there. Mm. But I did see that. But then honestly, I mean, they said the same thing about Obama. I mean, we all know that presidencies be having shadow presidencies, like they said that George Bush was, yeah, he was the president, but Dick Cheney was actually doing everything behind the scenes, and he was literally the president doing everything. So I mean, it's like, well, you know, it's like I said, it's all a game. It's all a game. Don't get any emotionally tied up to it. They said that Biden was Obama's third term. I mean, we're not going to sit here and debate that if that's not true or not. Who? I mean, mm, yeah, yeah. Yeah, like I've already come to the conclusion that California was a place that at one point in time I wanted to visit, but no disrespect to anybody or California itself. It just seems like uh yeah, it's like a virtual reality there. It really is. It's just I mean it's California, New York, Chicago, all the major cities for whatever reason. I mean, they glorify their criminals. Mayors come out and give their condolences to the families of the criminal and not the victims. Crazy as that fucking sounds. Uh, you lose I mean, your position in life is threatened if you don't adhere to the groupthink, which hmm, you had to acknowledge that, like I said, boys can have periods and have babies and whatever craziness that people come up with in their imagination and they try to force it on you. Yeah, so And that's all. That's a bunch of craziness to me. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, I don't think they always was. Yeah, I think so. I agree with that. Yeah. Honestly, kind of how I see the Democratic Party is that they know the worst side of the human experience. Like it's like they took because I mean I think we have to well not think, and this will probably be like the last thing we talk about. Before California went deep blue, I mean California, New York, Chicago. Those are places where people were or people of high success. Those are the places where they reside. And in order for you to get to those, to that 1% or maybe the bottom of the top, you had to kind of go through a quote unquote an initiation to become that. You had to overcome greed, you had to overcome the inner demons that we all have. You had to overcome that critic in your head. You had to overcome your ego. You have to overcome so much to become successful. And once you overcome all those obstacles, you become, I guess, for the lack of better words, your higher self. It seems like the Democratic Party knows all those obstacles and then they put it in your face. It's like, yeah, it's okay to be this way. It's okay to do this. It's okay to do that. All those obstacles that you're supposed to overcome, they glorify those obstacles, telling men that it's okay to cry and shit. No, it's not. It's not. And every man that does that, you will know. Everybody that's around you will start to see you as someone that they cannot depend on. You can go on YouTube and look at men cry, and the first initial reaction is like, man, he's being a bitch. But he's going to tell you, or they'll tell you that, yes, you can be sensitive. You can share your emotions. No, you can do that with your guy friends and say, I'm having this issue. I mean, have you had this issue? I mean, how did you overcome it? I mean, that type of stuff is that you speak to with other men about that you can trust. But you go to women and children with that behavior, shit, you'll get it. Anyway, that's not the point. That's just as an example. They try to say that everything that that a masculine man would or the things that'll make a man masculine is like, oh, that's toxic, stuff like that. And some people fall for that. Some people fall for it, and they never become their highest self because they've been convinced that, yeah, I should do this or I should do that or I should overindulge. I should eat cakes even though I know cakes aren't good for me, but it makes me feel better, so I'm gonna eat it anyway. It's just stuff like that. It's just telling you to give in to those impulses that they know is very destructive. They know that these impulses are destructive and they glorify those impulses. I think that's probably a very clear way to say it. And that's kind of how I see the Democratic Party, honestly. They're not really here to help. They just say they're here to help, but they're not. As long as they can have a pool of people that they can utilize whenever they want to, uh, they don't care. They don't care. Because I mean, look at how they treat each other. Look, I mean, shit, they treat each other. It's either you do what I want, or we're gonna shun you. We're gonna blackball you. Or we're gonna do this. You're gonna do that. It's like you really don't. It seems like you really don't have, or the Democratic Party doesn't want people to have an individual thought. Democrats across the party all word for word say the same message, and there's no deviation from it. If we don't like somebody, everybody better not like that person. You come out and say that you support that person, you're a traitor. That's just how that party is. Yeah. Yeah. So like I said, I'm not saying that the Republican Party ain't probably the same way, but they're not telling me that boys aren't girls and girls ain't boys and stuff like that. They're not telling me to yeah. So anyway. I mean, Tommy, if you're in this short, I mean, there's a saying on the Nasdaq, and I think it may be it's going to apply to this situation. If it hasn't gone down yet, then that means it's about to go up. If it hasn't gone down, it means it's about to go up. Kind of like with gold, it wasn't going down, and the bears are still trying to short this thing as it's going up. The bears are literally still trying to short this thing. If it's not going down, it's going up. I mean, you're literally making higher lows and higher highs on gold, and bears are still trying to short this thing, still trying to short it. I think the same thing can basically be said for the Nasdaq. If it hasn't gone down, then potentially we can go up. Now, uh, what I'm looking at right now is that man, you got all these wicks right here. You got all these wicks. That tells me that the bears were selling in this area. Obviously, I mean, eventually they were successful, but the bulls came right back up, and now it's looking like price is trying to find support exactly where these wicks at. So I'm not saying a short ain't gonna work, but support or resistance could potentially become support here. So just pay attention to that. Just watch out for that. Just watch out. Like I said, Rocket, I don't necessarily like I said, I don't affiliate myself with any party. But I will say that a lot of my views in terms of how I think would make me more conservative. I am a more conservative person. I'm not saying that the right is perfect. I'm not saying that. I am not saying that. I do believe in working hard for what you have and earning. I feel like you don't really need a party to feel that way. Actually, I was actually talking to my brother about this, and I mean, just something that I've learned. And this is something that every day when I come into this market, it it reinforces every day. Cheaters never win. Cheaters never win. What do I mean by that? Ever since I changed my trading style to where I can catch moves like this. I'm not going to sit here and say that I don't feel more like I earned it versus if I just get into a position with 5 contracts and then I get the P&L. I don't feel like I earned it, if that makes sense. And I'm not saying that it's cheating, but to our subconscious mind that doesn't differentiate between that type of stuff. To it's saying, all you did was throw 5 contracts on and made some money versus actually knowing where to get in at to where your risk was small and your reward was large. And so it's not fulfilling. You don't get that, or at least for me, I don't get that fulfilled feeling when I trade like that. When I can tag a perfect entry and I can tag a perfect exit, oh, that is fulfilling. It's purposeful. I'm trying to think of other examples in my life where it's if I feel like I don't, or if I haven't earned it, if I haven't worked for it, if somebody gives it to me, then it means nothing. It means absolutely nothing. But if I work for it, it means everything. And on top of me working for it, it builds confidence. You're not insecure. You can you can feel competent about what you're doing. Like, I mean, I get on here and I guess to most, it's like, I'm making myself vulnerable because what if I'm wrong when I make a trade? But to me, it's like, I put in the work. So I mean, it's to me, this it's like, well, I'm basically doing what I would do anyway. It's just that I have a camera in front of me. I'm recording my screen and it's being projected to your screen. And that's just all it is. I'm confident in my trades. I mean, I'll take a loss if I need to, but I have the confidence to do this and not be intimidated by people watching me trade, or I don't feel like, oh man, what if I'm wrong? I mean, I'm gonna be wrong sometimes, but I put in the work to be right. I put in the work to be right. Now, if this would be totally different if I didn't put in the time to do this. If I'm using, I don't know, like an indicator, nothing wrong with it. I'm not saying that, but the confidence would be in the indicator. It wouldn't be in myself. Like if the indicator is telling me to take a trade, and without that indicator, I wouldn't have the confidence to take it. That's what I'm talking about. But I put in the work, man. Put in the work. And so it means something when I take a trade because you know what? It's just a reflection of the time I put into the charts. And when I get my target hit, that's the reward. But I'm not going to sit here and say that, kind of going back to what your original comment. I'm not saying that there's not crazy people on the right too. Because I mean, I feel like if you're worshiping somebody, I mean, I feel that that's crazy. I am aware that there are some people that does see President Trump as a Jesus character. I think that's absolute craziness. I think that's absolutely crazy. It is absolutely crazy, but I'm well aware of that though. I'm not going to sit here and say that the fears or the concerns that people have are not true because I'm pretty sure that it is for some people where a Trump presidency can, or I mean, we're already having it now, it can embolden people and make them feel that, oh, this could be a quote unquote, it gives them a pass to be racist or to victimize another group of people. I'm well aware of that. And those are definitely criticisms of some people on that side. But at the same time, hmm, hmm. Hey, Tommy, where you targeting? Hey, Nate, what rule did you break? I broke my rule too. You're targeting 351. I mean, yeah, you can get 351 hit. Yeah, you can target. Yeah, 351. You can get that shit hit. That's like right there. But Nate, I mean, the setup was there. I mean, you don't really have too many instances where the setup is there overnight. So I mean, for the most part, I will take a trade in my PA account if like, okay, so I took this trade in my other account, and then because I saw the follow through, I was like, dude, this is gonna follow through. So I just hopped in my PA account and took the trade. Obviously, it worked out, but technically, I did break my rules because I was supposed to only trade. I'm only supposed to trade during the New York session because obviously the low volume. But I have to make exceptions when the setups are there. But the setups have to be there. Yeah, I mean, and then honestly, yeah, and that's the crazy thing too, because it's like, well, you do it all the time, but then that means it's a habit, and that's a bad habit. And I tell myself this crap all the time, but I do it anyway. And then I get mad when I lose the damn money. It's like, damn, I should have just followed my damn rule. Should have followed my damn. Because I mean, 9 times out of 10, I'm losing money in Asia. I mean, obviously the market is going through some things. So obviously I got away with it tonight because I literally bought the top. I literally bought the top of this move and I was able to get my target hit. So obviously the market is going through some things, but if it wasn't going through some things, I don't know. I probably would have been crying because that shit went against me. So I'll try not to. I'm gonna make it a point to try not to do that again, unless I see something. Damn gold. Damn. Okay. Um, okay. Let me go back because I may have. I'll make sure I've answered everybody's question. Okay. But all right, everybody. I'm gonna end it here. We was able to make $2,700 today. $1,800 in a PA account, and $900 before I started the stream. So I'll call that a win today. We'll definitely come back tomorrow. Just remember, we do got Jolts. Jolts has been historically big red. Tomorrow is also April Fools. So shit, that's gonna be funny as hell. April Fools tomorrow. See how the market reacts and trades because of that. But yeah, I will definitely come back in and earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.